warmer than it was yesterday. Team Thundercock eating some pecan pie. Man, they don't be making pecan pie like they do. Okay, Willie HD, appreciate the 200 bits. Hey, how y'all doing?
Why you ain't on YouTube no more? I told you to Twitch.
Yeah, I went to Twitch. That's another app. YouTube, I mean, I can't get the likes and stuff right on YouTube.
You be having a lot of likes.
No, I don't. I ain't got no video with 1,000 likes. Ain't that
so
all the videos?
It's free.
Yeah, it's free. It's still free.
It's an app called Twitch.
It's an app called Twitch.
I said, God damn it. We grandfather. And I got the look.
It's still on the lookout, right?
Okay.
I switched it up. I'm trying to get to the cash. Somebody just gonna send me something right now. I think that, I don't know if that's $2 or $20. It don't matter. It's something. It's more than what YouTube would have gave me by now. I only get nothing. Left lane with a 704. Yeah, $7 rig. I'm gonna go back there in a minute, go look at it.
First round, 7-0. Where y'all like right now? Everybody pointing at the Mustang.
Yeah, I hate that it's old $7 rig too. What's up with it, man? Huh? I was wishing I had your number earlier.
Why?
So I could call you and tell you to record the race. I would have 36. Right lane for the win, y'all. Yeah, they had the big race or a silver dollar. They had the race in silver dollar rig. But when you hit the wall with the grudge rules, the other side wins. So they hit the wall even though the other side red lit. They say somebody in the NHRA just lost like that, like the NHRA rules, something, so they done mixed it up. And since they ain't want no issues with which side to pick, they made it a draw. Both kept their money. They gonna race again another day.
Here we go.
Right now we in the 7-0 class.
7-0 class.
I'm betting right here. Mike Hollis winning 703.
We got my man James. That's right, we got Big.
All right, y'all. Here goes a GT 500, y'all. New model.